Hello students, today we will complete this exercise 2.2, question number 2. What is that? Find a quadratic polynomial when sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या था? You have to find the zeros और फिर बाद में sum of zeros and product of zeros आप फाइंड करते थे. लेकिन अब क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में? रिवर्स, उसका उल्टा दिया है कि सम ऑफ जीरोस और प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस आपको फाइंड नहीं करने हैं, वो दे दिए हैं. यू हैव टू फाइंड द क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. इट मींस क्वेश्चन फाइंड करना है. आंसर्स दिए हैं, यू हैव टू फाइंड द क्वेश्चन. इट मींस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल जो इक्वेशन है उसका जनरल इक्वेशन क्या है? ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c. तो वो जो जनरल इक्वेशन है वो आपको फाइंड करना है. सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस आपको दिए गए हैं. So these are the 6 questions of your textbook. But before starting that topic, first of all we will see the formula to find a quadratic polynomial when sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. So this is your formula. You have to by heart this formula. Then and only then you can find the answer. So what is that formula? I have written formula here. Compulsory x square माइनस, यहाँ पे लिखा है कंपल्सरी माइनस, दिस साइन शुड बी कंपल्सरी. एस ओ जेड इट मींस सम ऑफ जीरोस. जो कुछ भी सम ऑफ जीरोस आपको जो कोई भी वैल्यू दी गई है, व्हाटएवर द वैल्यू इज गिवन, यू हैव टू पुट हियर बिफोर माइनस साइन. आफ्टर ब्रैकेट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द वैल्यू विद एक्स, कंपल्सरी प्लस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरो. Whatever the value of p of z, it means product of zeros is given, that you have to put value here. Simple formula is there. In board exam it can be asked in 2 marks. So again we will revise what is the formula. So formula to find a quadratic polynomial when sum of zeros and product of zeros are given. The formula is x square compulsory minus inside bracket value of sum of zeros multiply with x plus compulsory plus product of zero. It means value of product of zero. Here you have to be careful that product of zero की वैल्यू यहाँ और sum of zero की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट होनी नहीं चाहिए. sum of zero की वैल्यू यही होनी चाहिए, product of zero की भी वैल्यू यही होनी चाहिए. So you have to careful while putting the value of s of z and p of z. Understood? So you have to remember this formula. And also copy down this formula in your notebook with compulsory minus and compulsory plus. So now we will start doing our sums, out of which 2 simple sums are there that will be homework for you. Which are the 2 homework sums? This is very simple, 1 1, and the last one is also very simple, 4 1. These 2 sums will be in homework. These are very easy sums for you. That's why I have given in homework. So now let us start with the first sum. Also you have written the formula in your notebook, and then afterwards you will remember that formula. So first sum 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Okay, here also first value is sum of 0 and second value is the product of 0. Question में first value it means sum of 0 and second value it means product of 0. हर एक 6 question में, in all the 6 question first value is sum of 0 and second value is product of 0. So we will start with our first sum. So we will write here sum of 0 1 by 4. In shortcut we are writing. In notebook you are allowed to write with this shortcut, but in exam compulsory you have to write full sum of 0 and product of 0. Product of 0 क्या दिया है? -1. Be careful with the sign. Now in question it is given find the quadratic polynomial. So we will write our equation. So therefore p of x. In all the 6 questions you have to write the formula. In exam also it is compulsory to write formula. X square compulsory minus inside bracket sum of 0 multiply with x compulsory plus product of 0. Simply we will put down the values and we will take LCM wherever it is needed. X square minus sum of 0. Instead of sum of 0 we have to put 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 inside bracket. Bracket is multiplied with x plus product of 0. It means minus 1 inside bracket. Minus 1. Now you have to open bracket. So what it will be? X square minus 1 multiplied with x. So it will be x by 4 plus minus 1. Understood? Now compulsory you have to take the LCM. In each and every question wherever the LCMs are needed you have to take LCM. So let us start the procedure to take out the LCM. You all know only how to take the LCM. 4 here is the LCM. For LCM, so here we will multiply with 4, here we will multiply with 1 and here we will multiply with 4. Now this 4 we will multiply with numerator x square. So it will be 4x square minus 1 into x. So it means simply x minus 4 ones are 4 and whole divided by 4. LCM whole divided by 4 आएगा. But now our required answer is only numerator. जो भी डिनोमिनेटर आता है 4 प्लस 4 माइनस 4 एक्स वाई जेड कोई भी नंबर डिनोमिनेटर में आता है simply you have to remove it. निकाल देना है. Forget it and you have to write the answer only numerator. So therefore your answer is, so therefore our required polynomial is, so therefore our required quadratic polynomial is only numerator. It means f 4x square minus x minus 4. So this is your answer. Understood? Also you had understood this method. Very simple method. Just you have to remember the formulas and put down the values of sum of zeros and product of zeros given in question into this formula. Remember one thing, one more time I am repeating that you have to remove the denominator. Denominator जो कुछ भी आता हो after taking LCM. After taking LCM, whatever the denominator is coming, that you have to remove, and whatever the numerator is there, that is your final answer. Understood? Before writing answer, you should write this compulsory that our required quadratic polynomial is. क्योंकि यहाँ से डिनोमिनेटर निकल गया तो कुछ लिखना तो पड़ेगा. डायरेक्टली तो डिनोमिनेटर हम निकाल नहीं सकते. So that's why we are writing that our required quadratic polynomial is this. Understood? Numerator. So we will do second sum, third sum and fifth sum, and these two sums are in homework for you. So let us start with the second sum. In that we will just remove the values only. Here also we will remove just answer. So now let us start with the second sum. Sum of zeros. First value is sum of 0. So that is root 2. Product of 0 is 1 by 3. Understood? Now put down these values into our equation. So x square minus sum of 0, it means inside bracket root 2 into x plus product of 0, it means 1 by 3. Now remove bracket. So what it will be? X square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Now you know only you have to take LCM. So let us start taking LCM. 3 will be LCM. So here 3, 3, 1. So now this 3 will be multiplied with numerator. So 3 into x square, it means 3x square minus 3 multiplied with root 2x, it means 3 root 2x plus 1 multiplied with 1, so it will be 1 and whole divided by 3 because 3 was your LCM. Now you know only what will be your required quadratic polynomial denominator. निकाल देना है. Remove the denominator. Whatever is there in numerator, that is your answer. So your answer will be 3x square minus 3 root 2x minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Understood? इसके पहले के सम में मैं कहना भूल गया था. But if you want to cross check that suppose this is your question. Now मान लो कि एग्जाम में ये दिया है कि your quadratic polynomial is this and find your sum of zeros and product of zero. Then you can cross check by the formula of sum of zero and product of zero. Suppose now this is your question. Suppose this is your question and you are asked to find sum of zeros and product of zero. So let us verify. It is not necessary to verify all the sums, but for your simplicity, we are going to verify only this sum. So let us verify. First of all, if you compare to find sum of zero and product of zero, you have to compare with the general equation. Now, if you compare with the general equation, then the value of a, b and c will be, a की value क्या होगी? Value of a will be 3, value of b will be with sign minus 3 root 2. Value of c will be only 1. Now what is the formula of sum of 0 in quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial में sum of 0 की formula क्या है? Minus b by a. So minus b by a. Sum of zeros की formula. I am not writing sum of 0, directly writing formula. Minus b by a. Minus the sign as it is. Now value of b. Value of b is itself. B itself is minus 3 root 2. So here we will write minus 3 root 2. All divided by a. What is the value of a? 3. Now minus minus plus. So 3 root 2 divided by 3. 3 and 3 will be कैंसल. क्या आंसर आया? रूट 2 आ गया. सम ऑफ 0 क्या है? रूट 2. In the same way, you can also verify product of 0. What is the formula? C by a. So C is 1 and A is 3. So क्या आंसर आएगा C by A का? 1 by 3. आ गया आंसर 1 by 3. Understood? It is just for your simplicity. No need to verify in any of the sum. कोई भी सम में आपको वेरीफाई नहीं करना है, ये तो सिर्फ आपके नॉलेज के लिए. Understood? So now we will start with the third sum. So let us start with the third sum. And each and every sum you have to copy down in notebook. No need to don't forget that. Okay, in third sum, sum of zeros is 0 and product of 0 is root 5. put down this value into your formula. X square as it is minus, instead of sum of 0 we will write 0 into x plus product of 0, instead of product of 0 we will write root 5, so inside bracket root 5. Now open bracket, so it will be x square minus 0 into x. 0 multiply anything, answer will be obviously 0. This x will be also not there, no need to write 0x. आपको लिखना है 0x, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. If you write 0x or 0, meaning तो सेम ही होता है. 0 multiply x, so 0 plus root 5. Now you can see here there is no denominator. Denominator नहीं है तो कोई LCM लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can see here तीनों टर्म में से डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है, so no need to take LCM. So your answer is x square. There is no importance of 0, whether it is minus or plus, it will remove directly plus root 5 over. So our required quadratic polynomial is x square plus root 5. And a simple, nothing is there. Understood? So now we will do our last sum, that is fifth one. Fourth and sixth will be your homework. All these 6 sums are easy only. It is your good luck if this type of questions are coming in exam. So let us start with the fifth sum. In that, sum of 0 क्या दिया है? -1/4. And product of 0 क्या दिया है? +1/4. Put down these values in the formula. So x square minus sum of zeros. Sum of zeros की क्या वैल्यू है? Sum of 0 की क्या वैल्यू क्या दी है क्वेश्चन में? -1/4. Sum of 0 ही खुद ही माइनस है. So we will write -1/4 inside bracket. Be careful in this sum. -1/4 inside bracket. Bracket is multiplied with x plus product of 0. What is the value of product of 0? 1/4. So we will write 1/4 in the bracket. 1/4. Understood? Now we will open bracket. If we will open bracket, then here minus minus plus. Again I am repeating second time. If we will open bracket here, then minus minus plus, so it will be plus 1 multiplied by x, so it will be x divided by 4 plus 1/4. Now you know only if there is anything in denominator, then we will take LCM. So let us start taking LCM. 1, what will be the LCM? 4, 4 and 1. The LCM क्या होगा? 4. So we will, if we take LCM, 4 will be our LCM. 4, 1 and 1. Whatever we have written here, that we will multiply with numerator. Numerator के साथ इसका multiplication कर देंगे. तो 4 into x square, it will be 4x square plus 1 into x, it will be x. 1 multiplied by x, so it will be x only, plus 1 multiplied by 1, it will be 1, and whole divided by 4. Now you know only if anything comes in the denominator, we have to remove denominator, and our required quadratic polynomial is only numerator, that is 4x square plus x plus 1. Understood? So this was your exercise 2.2, question number 2. Be careful what is given in question. You have to find quadratic polynomial from sum of 0 and product of 0, and you have to remember this formula. If you remember this formula, then the sum will be very much easy for you. Hope so you have understood this formula and this exercise 2.2. From next lecture, we will start with the last exercise of your NCERT textbook, that is 2.3, and which you had already studied in the 9th standard. वो exercise है divide वाली. You in 9th standard you might remember that we had studied division. Division हमने पढ़ा था. दो पॉलिनोमियल दिए थे, उसका हमें डिवीजन करना था. हम डिवाइड करते थे पॉलिनोमियल को. No matter if you are not able to remember, we will do first of all certain example. पहले हम थोड़े बहुत एग्जांपल देखेंगे इनसाइड टेक्स्ट बुक के और टेक्स्ट बुक के बाहर के भी, and afterwards we will start our exercise 2.3. Understood? So hope so you will understand this exercise 2.2. Thank you.